Hello and welcome to our latest transfer news. Stellenbosch FC have announced the departure of Thabo Moloisane upon the expiry of his contract. The 27-year-old defender has been a key player for the Cape Wineland club, making 115 appearances across 3 seasons since joining from Maritzburg United. Here is a statement from Stellenbosch FC. It says, Stellenbosch FC can confirm that the club and Thabo Moloisane will part ways at the end of the season upon expiration of the player's contract. Moloisane has informed Stellenbosch FC of his intention to leave the club upon the expiry of his contract after spending the last 3 seasons in the Cape Winelands. The 27-year-old joined the Maroons from Maritzburg United in 2023 and made 115 appearances across all competitions, helping the team to win the Carling Knockout Cup, reach back-to-back MTN 8 finals, and qualify twice for the CAF Confederations Cup. During his spell with the Maroons, Moloisane emerged as one of the standout defenders in South African football and earned 5 caps for Bafana Bafana, while also receiving a nomination for the 2024-25 Betway Premiership Defender of the Season award. He departs with the club's gratitude and appreciation for his leadership and service over the past 3 seasons. That's the statement from Stellenbosch FC. And Moloisane also sent a statement. He says, a special thank you to my teammates, past and present, the technical team, support staff, and everyone behind the scenes who made this journey special. To the Maroon Army, thank you for the belief you had in me from day one till the last. More than anything, for standing by me through it all, ups and downs. I live with nothing but gratitude and respect for this club and the people around it. Thank you. That's the statement from Thabo Moloisane. Now, it is understood that Moloisane has agreed a deal in principle with Kaizer Chiefs to join the Amakhosi in the upcoming season. And Kaizer Chiefs beat Sekhukhune FC to his signature. However, the Soweto Giants are only expected to officially announce the deal on the 1st of July, once his contract with Stellenbosch comes to an end. Remember, his contract with Stellenbosch is up to the 30th of June. At Chiefs, Moloisane will compete for a place alongside Given Msimangwa, Inacio Miguel, Roshin Dotley, Zita Kwenika, and Aiden McCarthy in what is expected to be highly competitive defensive unit. So do you think that it will strengthen Kaizer Chiefs? Let me hear your thoughts down in the comment section. What do you think of Thabo Moloisane joining Kaizer Chiefs as a free agent? Do you think that it's a good move or not? Let me hear your thoughts down below in the comment section. Thabo Moloisane will not be the only player leaving Stellenbosch. There is a mass exodus at Stellenbosch, with several players leaving. Here are players that will be leaving Stellenbosch: Olisanda, Oscarin Masiluke, Lee Langeveld, who's just retired, Dejin A. Shin, Athenkosi Mqaba, Kazi Enyinaya, Wade Yoste, Homoncho Lekolwane, Tshegofatso Mabasa, end of loan, Kobamelo Kodisang, end of loan, Aseko Tiwani, end of loan, and Kyle Jenkins, a transfer to Durban City. Those are players who are leaving Stellenbosch FC. Over 10 players are leaving Stellenbosch at the end of the season. So do you think that Stellenbosch are trying to rebuild once again? Let me hear your thoughts.